Hi, Martin here with another video. Do you have a PDF document that you want to edit? Well, this video, I'm going to show you a free online site. It doesn't really require you to download any software, where you'll be able to quickly convert your PDF into a Word document and edit it freely. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got a PDF document here. So this is an assessment that maybe I want to use with students, but it's from last year. I've only got a PDF version and I need to change some details. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to head over to Google, and in Google, I'm going to search for small PDF, and I'm going to hit enter. So what we're looking for here is the first search result called smallpdf.com. So this website is fantastic. It's essentially designed to take your PDF and convert it into a wide variety of different formats. Obviously, the one that we're looking for is PDF to Word. So I'm going to click Tools up here in the top, and over here where it says Convert from PDF, it says PDF to Word. So I'm going to click PDF to Word. So what we can do here is that we can drag and drop our PDF files into here, or we can click Choose Files and choose our file from there. So I'm just going to make this window a little smaller, and I've got my PDF file just up here, and I'm going to drag it and I'm going to drop it over here. So you can see that my file is now being uploaded to smallpdf.com. So depending on the size of your document, depends on how long this process will take. From here, I can then simply hit download. And once I've hit download, I now have an editable version of my assessment that I can go on, edit, use, and essentially update as I see fit. So I really hope that that's been useful for you and allows you to go ahead and edit those PDFs that you've been trying to edit. Please give the video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Subscribe for more and comment down below. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.